I'm really not sure about this. Oh, ooh, it's so sticky. Ooh, disgusting. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now, I'm going to be straight with you here. I really don't like blue cheese, but we're going to give it a taste test in the end and see what we think. I'm not really expecting miracles, but we'll see how it goes. So I've come up with a simple recipe for gorgonzola pasta, and Chris has been testing it for this past week. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by cooking the pasta. So I've got 400 grams, which is about 14 ounces of penne pasta here, but you can use whatever pasta you've got in your store cupboard. And we're going to cook that in boiling water, as per the pack instructions, until al dente. So whilst that pasta's cooking, we're going to make the sauce. And we're going to start by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large frying pan over a medium heat. Add a finely chopped shallot and fry for 3 to 4 minutes until softened. Once the shallot is softened, add in 2 cloves of minced garlic, stir together and cook for another minute. Now we want to add in 150 ml, which is a little under 2/3 of a cup, of double or heavy cream. Next in goes the gorgonzola. I've got 125 grams, which is about 4.5 ounces of gorgonzola here, and we're going to add that in. I'm really not sure about this. Oh, ooh, it's so sticky. Ooh, disgusting. Now add in 2 tablespoons of finely grated parmesan, 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley, and a good pinch of salt and pepper. Stir together until the gorgonzola starts to melt. By now the pasta should be ready, so we're going to turn off the heat and drain it in a colander over the sink, reserving about ½ a cup of the cooking water. Add the pasta to the pan with the cream sauce and stir it all together. You can add in a splash of pasta cooking water or more if you like, if you want to loosen up the sauce at all. And now divide the pasta between bowls. Top the pasta with some more parmesan, black pepper, fresh parsley and some toasted walnuts, and then serve. I've seen this topped with those toasted walnuts, which I really like the idea of, but I think it'd also work really well with some spinach or peas in there. Okay, enough beating around the bush. Let's do a taste test. Can't believe you're making me do this. That's actually really nice. I can't taste that weird mouldiness of gorgonzola at all. Oh, I like it. Is that a good version of gorgonzola pasta? Let me know in the comments below. I could totally eat this.